Our valedictorian and student speaker today is the one and only Angelina Somma of Malvern, New York, who majored in adolescence education studies, social studies, and graduated in December of '24. Angelina is currently a master's student in our P through 12 literacy education program. As the descendant of a family of teachers, Angelina knew she wanted to follow in their footsteps from young age, and that SUNY New Paltz was the place that she wanted to reach that goal. As an undergraduate student, Angelina was engaged in her major and a rigorous multidisciplinary course load in the honors program, where she explored her love of history while solidifying her own teaching philosophy. Since earning her bachelor's degree, Angelina secured her first teaching position as a 9th grade history teacher on Long Island at her high school alma mater, Valley Stream North. Yes, congratulations. Angelina elected to pursue a literacy master's degree at the university here to equip herself with credentials to break into an area of teaching that is in high demand among districts after years of declining childhood reading rates in the United States. We congratulate Angelina on launching her career, earning this year's valedictorian distinction, and thank her for offering remarks to her graduating peers shortly.
Hello. Welcome President Wheeler, faculty, staff, honored guests, family, friends, and students. Before I begin, I would like to thank my professors, friends, family, teammates, coaches, and the athletic administration. I would not be up here today if it was not for their continued support and success. Second, I would like to especially thank my mom, Dad, Isabella, and Mateo. It is because of their sacrifices and support that I had the opportunity to pursue higher education and a career that I am passionate about. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to Chloe Jaffairs, Candela Sandoval, Naomi Levy, Nicholas Brown, Abigail Kaiser, Paul Kastner, Xavier Calderon, and Luke Hoyt, my roommates, teammates, and some of my best friends. I look back fondly on the last 4 years because of all of you. In December 2024, I graduated with my bachelor's degree in adolescence education with a concentration in social studies. Upon my graduation, I felt elated at the prospect of having my own classroom and extremely confident in my skills. Soon after graduation, I received a position teaching 9th grade global history to English as a second language learning students. On my first day of work, I naively thought I had everything under control. During my undergraduate experience, I had the pleasure of learning from experienced and passionate professors. However, there is no lecture that could fully prepare me for the chaos that is 30 14-year-olds in one classroom. My first couple of months in the real world are categorized by a plethora of failures and scattered moments of self-doubt. I can still feel the intense dread I felt the first time a student refused to move their seat or attempted to derail my meticulously planned lesson. However, with this failure and self-doubt also came moments of growth and intense gratification. There are few better feelings than watching a student achieve milestones they once doubted they would reach. Within the next couple of months, all of you will pursue a new job or educational opportunities. I can almost guarantee you that your first couple of months will include a plethora of failures and scattered moments of self-doubt. However, just like our bachelor's degrees, nothing worth having ever comes easy. So take those feelings as opportunities for reflection and growth and hold on to the moments of intense gratification. Congratulations to the graduating class and best of luck in your future endeavors.